Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to share your wish list on Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to share your wish list on Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app itself. So once you open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the love heart icon. So once you tap on the heart icon, you can be in the item section of wish list. So all you need to do is simply tap on it and tap on all and tap on add to board. Once you have added your items to board, now you need to go in the board section and simply tap on the three dots option. To tap on the three dot connecting lines, you will be able to share your wish list with your friends through different social media platforms or simply copy the link. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.